Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a mirror bot in Rocket League and what that actually means. First, mirror bots are not available in the standard game by default. They're usually custom training or modded bots created for PC players using community tools. If you're on console, unfortunately you cannot install custom bots because mods are not supported. For PC players, you need to install Bacchus Mod from its official website. Download and install it, then launch Rocket League through Bacchus Mod. After that, open the Bacchus Mod Plugins Manager and look for custom bot plugins like RL Bot integration. Install RL Bot and browse the Community Workshop for a mirrorbot script. These bots are designed to copy or mirror your movements for training purposes. Once installed, launch a private match through RL Bot and select the mirror bot from the bot list. Start the match and test it in free play style sessions. Always download plugins from trusted sources to avoid security risks. That's how PC players can access mirror style bots in Rocket League safely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.